Meet the RYOBI 2-in-1 Speed Bench, your new best friend for mobile projects. This workstation combines a sturdy workbench with a powerful clamping system, making it a must-have for any workshop. With quick adjust clamps and a foldable design, you can set it up anywhere in seconds. Whether you're sawing, sanding, or assembling, this bench holds your materials firmly. It's lightweight yet durable, ensuring stability even under pressure. Perfect for job sites or home workshops, it keeps everything secure. Get ready to tackle your next project with speed and precision. Smooth out your woodworking projects effortlessly with the Einhell Professional Cordless Planer. Featuring a powerful brushless motor, this tool delivers high-performance cuts with precision. Its 18-volt battery ensures cordless convenience while maintaining impressive power. The depth adjustment lets you take off just the right amount of material. With a durable aluminum base and ergonomic grip, comfort meets accuracy. The dust extraction port keeps your workspace clean and clear. Whether shaping edges or flattening surfaces, this planer does it all. Elevate your craft with Einhell's cutting-edge technology. Accuracy meets efficiency with the Ruitool hardware jig tool, the perfect assistant for installing cabinet handles and drawer pulls. This adjustable jig takes the guesswork out of hole placement, ensuring flawless alignment every time. Built from high-quality aluminum, it's durable yet lightweight. The easy-to-read measurements and adjustable stops make repetitive drilling a breeze. Whether you're a professional or a DIY-er, this jig saves time and eliminates frustration. No more uneven handles or extra holes, just perfect results. Make every installation a masterpiece with Ruitool. Turn your router into a mortising powerhouse with the Woodpeckers Mortise base. Designed for precision joinery, this base plate enhances control and accuracy when routing mortises. The large footprint provides stability, reducing tipping and errors. It features fine adjustments for dialed-in depth control, making every cut precise. The clear base improves visibility, so you can see exactly where you're cutting. Whether working on furniture or cabinetry, this tool delivers professional results. Say goodbye to wobbly cuts and hello to flawless mortises. Say hello to the ultimate layout tool, the Gohelper 8-inch removable Carpenter framing square fence. This game-changing accessory transforms any framing square into a precision layout guide. The adjustable fence ensures perfect 90-degree measurements for framing, stair stringers, and more. Its durable aluminum construction stands up to heavy use while remaining lightweight. With quick and easy setup, this tool saves time on every job. Whether marking layouts or checking squareness, it guarantees accuracy. Boost your measuring game with Gohelper's smart design. Handling large panels has never been easier with the Kreg panel carrier. This clever tool gives you a firm grip on sheet goods, reducing strain and making transport a breeze. The ergonomic handle and auto-adjusting clamp securely hold plywood, MDF, and drywall. Say goodbye to awkward lifting and back strain. This carrier lets you work smarter, not harder. Whether moving sheets across the shop or to the job site, it provides comfort and efficiency. Its durable design ensures long-lasting use. Simplify your workflow with Kreg's smart carrying solution. Upgrade your routing setup with the SKIL router table. SRT1039, designed for precision and stability. This table features an adjustable fence and a smooth, laminated surface for effortless movement. With a built-in bit height gauge, getting accurate depth settings is a breeze. The sturdy legs and featherboards ensure material stays secure during routing. It even includes a dust port for a cleaner workspace. Whether you're making edge profiles or joinery, this table enhances your router's versatility. Get professional results with every cut using SKIL's well-engineered router table. Experience precision cutting like never before with the Ruitool Japanese handsaw. This 6-inch pole saw features a razor-sharp, flexible blade for ultra-clean cuts. The fine teeth slice through wood effortlessly, reducing tear-out and splintering. Its compact size makes it perfect for detailed joinery in tight spaces. Unlike push saws, the pull action allows greater control with less effort. Whether cutting dovetails or trim, this saw delivers unparalleled accuracy. Built for craftsmen, it's a must-have for any hand tool collection. Embrace the art of Japanese woodworking. Unleash your creativity with the xTool F1 Ultra, the ultimate high-speed laser engraver. This powerhouse machine combines precision, speed, and versatility, allowing you to engrave on wood, metal, leather, and more. The ultra-fast laser technology ensures crisp, detailed designs in seconds. Its compact design makes it perfect for workshops, businesses, and hobbyists alike. With smart software and easy-to-use controls, customization is effortless. Whether making gifts, branding products, or crafting artwork, this tool brings ideas to life. Elevate your engraving game with xTool's cutting-edge innovation. Take precision measuring to a new level with Woodpeckers 3D setup blocks. These anodized aluminum blocks let you measure height, depth, and spacing with pinpoint accuracy. Their stackable design makes complex measurements simple and repeatable. The laser-etched markings ensure lasting visibility, eliminating guesswork. Whether setting blade heights or router bit depths, these blocks save time and boost accuracy. They're durable, lightweight, and perfect for any woodworking setup. Ditch the trial and error method and measure with confidence. Upgrade your precision game with Woodpecker's Genius 3D blocks. Say goodbye to measuring guesswork. The Gohelper 3D multi-angle measuring ruler makes marking complex angles effortless. Whether you're crafting furniture or setting up tile work, this tool adapts to every shape and corner. It provides quick, precise measurements in 3 dimensions, making layout work a breeze. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it's tough yet lightweight. Ideal for woodworkers, masons, and DIY-ers, it ensures perfect measurements every time. No more errors, just clean, accurate markings with ease. Next up, the Woodpeckers Deluxe Trammel system takes your measuring and marking skills to a whole new level. Perfect for drawing large circles or arcs, it turns any straightage into a precision compass. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's designed for durability and accuracy. With micro adjustments, you get the finest control over measurements. Whether you're a woodworker or a metal fabricator, this tool is a game changer. The sharp marking tips ensure crisp lines on any material. Plus, it comes with adapters for pencils and knives. Elevate your marking game with this deluxe trammel system. Versatility meets craftsmanship with the Axminster Rider 3-in-1 plane. It combines a block plane, shoulder plane, and chisel plane in one sleek design. Crafted from precision ground steel, it delivers smooth, controlled cuts. Swap out the nose and adjust the blade to transform it for different tasks. It's the perfect companion for fine joinery, edge trimming, and rebaiting. The comfortable grip ensures fatigue-free use during long projects. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, this tool adapts to your needs. 3 functions, 1 tool. Efficiency at its finest. When you need strong, effortless clamping, the Wolfcraft One-Hand Clamp Pro Max is your best friend. Designed for quick, one-handed operation, it delivers powerful grip with minimal effort. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable hold while applying maximum force. Need to release? The quick release button makes adjustments seamless. Whether you're assembling furniture or securing materials for cutting, this clamp holds everything steady. Its non-marring pads protect delicate surfaces while ensuring a firm grip. Plus, it doubles as a spreader for added versatility. Strong, simple, and smart, this clamp is a workshop essential. Installing cabinet doors has never been easier with the Kreg cabinet door mounting jig. This tool simplifies the process, ensuring perfect alignment every time. Its adjustable design allows for various door sizes and styles. The built-in clamp securely holds the door in place while you work. Whether you're mounting new cabinets or replacing old doors, this jig saves time and frustration. It works with both face frame and frameless cabinets, making it incredibly versatile. Say goodbye to uneven gaps and wobbly doors. With Kreg's precision engineering, every cabinet door fits like a glove. Precision cutting in a compact package. That's the WEN 4.2 ampere plunge cut circular saw. This powerhouse tool delivers clean, controlled cuts through wood, tile, and even metal. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The plunge cut capability allows for seamless interior cuts without overcutting. With an adjustable depth gauge, you get perfect cuts every time. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, reducing hand fatigue. Plus, the included laser guide enhances cutting accuracy. Small in size but big on performance, this saw is a must-have for detailed work. Installing doors just got a whole lot easier with the Wolfcraft Easy Door Frame Jig. This tool ensures perfect alignment and spacing for hassle-free installation. Its sturdy frame holds the door securely while you adjust hinges and fittings. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this jig eliminates guesswork. The adjustable arms accommodate various door sizes with ease. Built with high-quality materials, it offers long-term durability. Get professional results without the frustration of misaligned doors. With Wolfcraft's Easy system, installing doors has never been this smooth. For flawless hinge installation, the Blum hinge jig is a game-changer. It simplifies drilling precise holes for concealed hinges, ensuring perfect alignment every time. The easy-to-use design makes it ideal for both professionals and beginners. Its sturdy guide helps prevent misalignment and costly mistakes. Compatible with various hinge styles, it adapts to different cabinet setups. Whether you're assembling new cabinets or upgrading old ones, this jig makes the job effortless. Plus, it ensures a clean, professional look for your projects. Say goodbye to uneven hinges. Blum has you covered. Keep your projects perfectly square with the Milescraft 4012 SquareClampKit. Whether assembling cabinets, frames, or furniture, this tool ensures flawless 90-degree angles. The adjustable clamps hold pieces securely in place while you fasten them. Made from durable, reinforced plastic, it's built to last. Ideal for woodworkers, DIYers, and professionals, it simplifies complex assemblies. No more struggling with misaligned corners or shifting parts. It's a must-have for any workshop looking for precise, repeatable results. Say hello to stronger, straighter, and more professional builds. A smooth finish starts with the WorkPro Professional Palm Sander. This powerful yet lightweight sander removes imperfections with ease. Its high-speed motor delivers a swirl-free finish on wood, metal, and plastic. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue for extended use. The dust collection system keeps your workspace clean and breathable. Whether refinishing furniture or prepping surfaces for paint, it gets the job done. Compatible with standard sandpaper sheets, it's convenient and cost-effective. Get ready for silky smooth results with minimal effort. Finishing edges like a pro is easy with the Rockler 2-in-1 edge banding trimmer. This handy tool trims both sides of edge banding simultaneously, saving time and effort. The sharp blades ensure clean, precise cuts without tearing or splintering. Designed for use on wood, laminate, and veneer, it delivers flawless edges. Its ergonomic shape provides a comfortable grip for controlled operation. Whether working on cabinetry or custom furniture, this tool guarantees professional results. Compact yet powerful, it's a must-have for any woodworking setup. Get crisp, clean edges effortlessly. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.